Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll develop self-compassion to help us cope with physical discomfort. When discomfort is present, feelings of shame or self-blame can arise. And though we understand that self-care is essential, sometimes even that feels like another obligation, adding to our feelings of guilt. Turning to self-compassion can help. Though it may seem similar to self-care, self-compassion is more of an attitude. As we direct kindness, friendliness, and love towards ourselves, we learn to hold ourselves and our discomfort with more soften and ease. Find a comfortable seat and elongate your spine. Softly close your eyes. Relax your shoulders, resting your hands in your lap. Release the muscles in your neck, your jaw, your eyes, your forehead, and let your whole body soften and settle. Now turn to your breath. Gently lengthen your inhales and let your exhales be smooth and long. Expansive inhalations, slow exhalations. Now allow your breath to shape itself once more. Let the air move effortlessly in and out of your body. And begin to notice if any discomfort is present in your body. You don't have to name or analyze it. Simply notice the sensations of discomfort and draw your breath there. With each inhalation and exhalation, invoke a sense of ease and compassion. And for the next few moments, stay with a kind, compassionate breath. Now, holding your entire body with kindness, silently repeat to yourself, "This is a moment of suffering." Notice how it feels to recognize your struggle with compassion. This is a moment of suffering. This is a moment of suffering. And now silently say to yourself, discomfort is a natural part of life. I am not alone in experiencing it. Observe how these words land, offering them to your own experience with ease and friendliness. Discomfort is a natural part of life. I am not alone in experiencing it. Discomfort is a natural part of life. I am not alone in experiencing it. You may like to place a hand on your heart or wherever feels comforting. Let your touch be soothing. And silently say to yourself, may I be kind and loving to myself. Noticing the feeling of offering yourself compassion. May I be kind and loving to myself. May I be kind and loving to myself. Now take a few moments to rest, feeling into the kindness and compassion you've created for yourself. Now, gently soften your attention. Though we all know that pain is unavoidable, it's very natural to wish it didn't exist. Our mind meets discomfort with resistance and aversion. But the more we turn away from it, the more our body tightens and pain increases. When a loved one is suffering, we understand that it can profoundly affect their physical and emotional well-being. We don't hesitate to offer them a comforting touch and a good dose of compassion. Our soothing presence allows them to relax, and their discomfort eases, even if just momentarily. So why not extend that same loving presence to ourselves? Self-compassion isn't self-indulgent, and it isn't weak. Instead, self-compassion allows us to hold our discomfort with the understanding that pain is not our fault. It teaches us to soften and tap into our inner strength, facing our struggle with more resilience. So take some time to develop self-compassion. In the face of discomfort, offer yourself love and kindness just as you would to a friend. Now become aware of the room around you. Notice your body in space. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Bring self-compassion into the rest of your day, and we'll see you back here soon.